to Cooper's Beach. Located in the far north of New Zealand, this amazing place is so underrated. Located on Doubtless Bay, this is the perfect beach destination all year round. Cooper's Beach stretches for about 2 kilometres along the coast, with plenty of room for beachgoers to spread out and relax. It's lined with New Zealand's famous Christmas trees, which bloom with vibrant red flowers in the summer, creating a stunning natural backdrop. You'll also find plenty of shade here, perfect for picnics and beach lounging. So this place has to win with the most beautiful place award for anywhere that I have ever been. I just can't believe that there's hardly anybody else here. I think I've seen 5 people all day. The weather is nice, the sun is shining, and I am on a beach. And yet nobody seems to come here. This place is so underrated. So we're about 4 hours north of Auckland here, and this place is supposed to be perfect for snorkeling, swimming, kayaking, paddleboarding. But for me, I am just going to take a walk along the beach and just enjoy this amazing scenery. I am so happy to be here. The weather in Cooper's Beach is mild year round, with warm sunny summers averaging around 25 degrees Celsius and mild winters going down to 15. Summer is the best time to visit for a classic beach experience, while winter offers a quieter atmosphere, perfect for those looking to escape and enjoy nature. I'm here now at the start of spring, and yet there is no one else here. What a place to stay. The apartment goes straight out onto the beach. Not a bad view to wake up to. This has to be on your list. I don't know why there are hardly any other people here. This is a must for your New Zealand trip. spent some of the day here on the beach and then back in the apartment just watching the sun all day. Wow, this is a beautiful, beautiful place. So I've just come back down to the beach now because the sun's starting to set, the tide's coming in. This is paradise. Paradise. Yes, this is paradise. Okay, well thank you for joining me here at Cooper's Beach, this underrated paradise. Today I am heading up to Cape Rayner, the most northerly part of New Zealand. See you there.